Structural Rehabilitation, Retrofitting. SVC is a firm specializing in all facets of structural rehabilitation, retrofitting, and renovation-related engineering. SVC performs a plethora of structural-related services across a broad spectrum of market sectors, namely commercial establishments, educational institutions, entertainment, and government. A vast majority of our projects are with repeat clients attributable to our success in cultivating long-term relationship with attentive service and cost-effective solutions.
Retrofitting rehabilitation, in my opinion, needs a lot of understanding of site, products, design, so that we can execute as per the design intent.
Some of our works are strengthening of columns using carbon fiber wrappings using single and double layers as per design given by consultant to enhance the load-bearing capacity. Strengthening of beams using carbon fiber to increase flexural strength. Slab strengthening using carbon fiber. In this multi-story tech park, the client requirement was to convert the existing office space to a laboratory, thus requiring an enhancement in load-bearing capacity of the slab. Distressed columns in stadium. Client aspired to refurbish the strength of columns in this 30-year-old stadium, which had seen deterioration over time. Column strengthening using MS plates. Columns were retrofitted to achieve the strength required as per design using steel plates. Structural screeding works. The client requirement was to enhance the load-bearing capacity of the slab. Rehabilitation of RCC overhead tank. A deteriorating and leaking overhead tank was refurbished using additional reinforcements and encasing all the structural members using micro-concrete. Slab strengthening using carbon laminates. This was accomplished by providing carbon fiber laminates at the soffit of the slab. Beam strengthening using carbon laminate and steel plate. The strengthening of transfer beam was achieved in accordance to the consultant's design by using combination of carbon laminates and steel plates bonding. Shear wall strengthening. Significant enhancement in the grade strength by enhancing the existing grade of concrete was successfully achieved by the gunneting technique. Slab strengthening. In this slab, all the unsound and flaccid concrete was removed and filled with free-flow micro-concrete of higher strength. Column capital strengthening was accomplished using steel plate to counter punching shear. Footing strengthening. Envisioning additional floors for the existing hotel complex, the consultant wished to enlarge the footing size to support the additional load, which was successfully accomplished by SVC. Overall building strengthening from footing to slab. Client wanted existing built office space to convert it into data center usage, resulting into the strengthening of all the members of the structure from footing, column, beam and slab as per design.
Change in usage, deterioration, flaw in construction or design, want to add further floors? SVC has a solution.
In today's construction industry, repair and rehabilitation is becoming increasingly common due to various reasons. Apart from faulty design, we are also seeing a lot of change of use of building where the loads are enhanced from the original design. Hence, we need to have repair and retrofitting of structures.
We had to convert the office space into a microbrewery or pub brewery where the load factors differ from the office space to the present utility, which required strengthening of the columns, beams and also slabs. And after various consultations, we found out SVC as one of the most dependent agencies to be given this responsibility, and they have gone ahead with the most advanced methods of the restoration or strengthening of the entire building. It has been properly done and the structures have been certified as fit to receive the loads that are going to be placed onto the building.
Construction specialties. Creating products that make buildings better. Construction specialties, words which demonstrate vividly the fundamental dedication to architecture, engineering, and the never-ending quest for elegant yet practical and sustainable solutions. SVC's core competency is in construction specialties expansion joint covers ranging from 1 inch to 40 inches. SVC boasts of handling joints at all locations for all loading parameters and most importantly, making it watertight and fireproof in necessary places. SVC also has the unique expertise in installing expansion joint requirements involving thermal, sway, and seismic movement. The customer stands to benefit as SVC is involved in every phase of the project, be it product selection, supply and installation, or any other allied works such as joint preparation, waterproofing, or civil works.
We in SVC have done repair and retrofitting of buildings which are attacked by water, fire, and even bomb.
The other range of construction specialties products supported by SVC include Acrovan wall protection, sun control systems, entrance flooring systems, grills and vision barriers, performance louvers, solar motion, and fluorometry.
We have been working with various people, but we found SVC has got the required technical expertise and the backup required to do such kind of repair and rehabilitation, and we have been extremely happy with their work and professional competence.